Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with today's drawing video introducing the stationery. It's a Staedtler 6B pencil, Dome's eraser and the Posca pen for the outline. And these are the color shades that I am using. These are the Staedtler Luna pencils. The link for all the stationery that I am using in my video is there in the video description. You can just go and check them there. So starting with the basic of the drawing, I have made a standing line and a sleeping line, and I am drawing a small circle here for the face, and inside the circle I am making one slanting line. After this I am making one more line here to make a division between the upper and the lower part of the body. So once I am done with the pencil drawing, with the basic outlining of the pencil drawing, I am starting with the final line. So here I am giving the structure of the face. Just look at the lines carefully. I am doing it inside the circle only. And once I am done with this, I am just making a slanting line here. One more slanting line. This line is basically to draw the eyes. On the upper line I am making the eyebrows. So just look at the lines carefully, it is not that difficult to do. Now just making a curve and a circle inside for the eyeball. One more curve for the eye and circle inside for the eyeball. After this I am making a small curve for the nose. And now I will be making the mouth part, so just a line for that. After this I'll be starting with the drawing of the hair. So here I am just making few zigzag lines. So just look at the lines carefully. Again adding few curves around the circle that I have drawn with the pencil. And just extending the hair part behind the neck. So just joining it this side. And now I'm making the collar of the t-shirt that he is wearing. Two slanting lines for the shoulders, just doubling the collar just to make the design, a standing line in the center, and making one more slanting line for the arms, another one, joining it together, making the border of the shirt, adding the waistline, one more standing line here, then a slanting line, another curved line, one more curved line. So I am done making the upper part, basically the t-shirt. After this I am just drawing the hands, slanting, one more slanting, a bit curved, slanting another one. Now making the watch, so curve, one more curve below around the circle and joining them with the standing lines. Just look at the lines carefully, making the hand. It's not that difficult to do, just look at the lines carefully. Now adding the pants, so on the center line a bit curved, just giving the folds there, a slanting line, bit curved on the corner, adding a pocket. Now just adding a curved line here with the standing line, a bit slanting too. Another slanting line, curve, one more curve this side, standing and sleeping. Now making the second hand, another slanting line, slanting, standing and curved for the thumb, and for the fingers are folded. So we are just making them like the small ovals. Now making the shoe, it's a slanting line curved in the front, again a slanting line, standing, sleeping, standing, joining with the slanting lines on the side. Two more slanting lines to give the pattern of the shoes that he wears. Now slanting, sleeping, standing, sleeping. Now the zigzag lines for the sole of the shoes and just joining them with two more slanting lines. Another two slanting lines. So here we are done with the drawing. So I am left with one pocket here, so just adding a pocket on the side. So I am almost done. Now once I am done with the drawing, I am just erasing the pencil lines that I have drawn before, as that was just for our help. That was not the final lines. Now I realize that I have forgotten to draw one ear, the other ear on the side, so just adding a curve there. So now I'm done with the drawing, and I forgot to show you this color that I'm using for the skin tone. It's a skin color of the Staedtler Luna pencils. All the links are provided in the video description. You can just go and check them there and order for yourself. I hope the step-by-step instructions of this video is going to help you a lot to draw this easily. Do let me know in the comment section. Do share your feedback about this video in the comment section. And also you can let me know if you want me to draw anything specific, anything that you're not able to draw. You can just mention it in the comment section and I'll upload the tutorial for the same. Now I'm doing the dark brown color in the eyebrows and the same color in the hair. So the coloring technique that I always share with all my viewers is that just do the coloring in one direction and do not leave the spaces in between the pencil lines when you're coloring to get the smoothness. If you will leave the space, you will not get the smoothness in your coloring. I'm just adding a black color on the borders of the t-shirt. I know all the kids are going to love this drawing. They must be big fans of Ben 10. So here's a very easy tutorial for all of you. Share your views about this video in the comment section. I am just doing a sap green color in the pants. So we don't have much of coloring in this drawing. See, I'm not leaving any spaces in between the pencil lines to get the smoothness in my coloring. For more characters, for more cartoon characters, you can just check the other videos. There are many cartoon characters that I have drawn and all the videos are there. You can just go and check them in the content section. Here, just doing the black color in the shoes. Just be careful with the areas where we need to do the black color, as we don't need to completely fill the shoes with the black color. So we are here almost done with the drawing for today. It was a small tutorial, not much bigger one, and just doing the darker green color in the eyeballs. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.